Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. In this video, we are going to look at 10 different tiny dot mandala designs which you can ideally use for making keychains or making a dot mandala earring, or if you can add a few more little extra dots, you can make it into a coaster design too. Let's get started. I'll start with dotting in the center using metallic copper. I'll make these dots into swipes now. I'll keep some side swipes in metallic copper now. I'll work the dots in copper now. Some dots in aqua green now. I'll keep some tiny dots using metallic copper now. Let's get started with design number 2 now. I'll start with dotting in the center in marine blue. I'll keep some plumpy dots in marine blue. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some plumpy dots in aqua green. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some dots in marine blue. I'll work the dots in marine blue. Let's get started with design number 3 now. I'll dot in the center with light pink. I'll keep some teal dots now. I'll do tiny dotting now. I'll keep some light pink dots. Work the dots in teal now. I'll work the dots again in teal. Let's get started with design number 4 now. I'll dot in the center with sand. I'll keep some dots in teal. I'll keep some side swipes in the same color. Keep plumpy dots in sand now. I'll fill the oval shape with sand color. I'll keep some dots in teal. I'll work the dots in tail. I'll work the dots again in tail. I'll keep some plumpy dot in sand color. I'll make these dots into swipes. Let's get started with design number 5 now. Let me dot in the center with mint green. Let me dot with bubblegum pink. Let me do some tiny dotting now. I'll keep some dots in mint green now. I'll keep some side swipes in bubblegum pink. I'll keep some more side swipes in mint green now. I'll keep some side swipes in pink. I'll work the dots in mint green. So in this video, I have shown you 5 designs. In the upcoming video, I'll show you 5 more designs. I'm sure all of you loved all these tiny dot mandalas. I can't wait to see you recreating this and sharing it with me as well. Thank you for watching this video.